Today I'm going to be showing you how to inspect on your MacBook Pro. I already have it, so I'm going to show you. So this is on Safari. So I searched on Safari Google. So it may look like Google, but it's Safari. So this is how it works for me for Safari, and it I'm probably gonna be posting other ways how to do it. So don't worry if you have if you want to do it on a different website, then yeah. So how to inspect? If you go to Safari, click on Safari, and then if you go to Preferences, and then you'll start at General, and then you'll go click on Advanced, and then this will be off. So show Develop Bar and Menu. You click it. There's other stuff too. You can change it if you want, and anyway, so yeah. So then if you with two fingers like that, with two fingers on the right. Okay, let's just say this is the left side of your mouse, right? And this is the right side of your mouse. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be clicking on the two dots. With both of your fingers, you're going to be clicking. So right here, boom. And now, it will give you a bunch of these options. Do whatever you want with them if you want. And then you can go inspect elements. You can also go turn it places on the page, but anyway. So then you can mess with the Google logo and stuff. It's kind of cool. Anyway, inspect element. So if I inspect that element, then edit, and then you go HDMI. And then Google color, blah blah blah. You can just edit it however you want. I learned from one guy. He's pretty cool. I'll put his video in the link in the description if I can remember. And also, so yeah, he's pretty cool. What he did was he selected this, boom, inspected it, and then he took a troll face. He took the thing from the web, the information from the web, like what you needed, like how the picture is built, like color, blah blah blah, and then on which website and stuff. So then I uploaded the image, so it was like this. Boom. Okay, inspect element, and then I'm feeling trendy. Let's just say, and then we can turn that into I'm feeling, what do you want? I'm feeling awesome. So then, yeah. So then, boom. So then, well, I forgot to put it on lucky, but so look, yeah. Now it says I'm feeling awesome. Or if I change Google Store, I can inspect Google Store, and then and stuff, and I can change the height. So So it's pretty cool. And so like height, I can change it like minimum. Oops. Minimum height. My bad. My bad. My bad. Minimum height. Let's 10. Oops. And then width, and then you can put that as like. So now look. Yeah, sorry. Don't click return. I forgot. It doesn't work because it's return, not enter, and anyway. So because then it's not gonna exit out. So you need to exit out, and then, but although, so like basically now it's like the width is this and that. So when your friend goes back on his Google page, he's gonna be completely confused, maybe just a little bit. And then, so yeah, but yeah, if you reload the web page, it's just gonna go back to normal. So yeah, so that is how you do the show the developer bar in a MacBook Pro, or also just inspect, as pretty much everyone calls it. Anyway, so see you guys in another video. Bye.